Hello and welcome to The Only Way is Open Source. In this short video, I shall be going through the process of updating software on a Linux system using the command line interface, or CLI for short. The process may vary slightly depending on the Linux distribution you are using. Here I'll provide general instructions for package management on Ubuntu, and I shall also provide a link within the description below to a free PDF covering the basics of the CLI and some essential commands to get you going. To update the system, there are a couple of distinct commands we can use. The first is sudo apt-get update. This command updates the package lists for all repositories configured. If I hit enter, I'll be prompted for the sudo password, and it will then go through the process of updating all of those repositories it finds. It does not upgrade the software on the system, but rather retrieves information about the latest versions of packages and their dependencies. Once done, we can then use the sudo apt-get upgrade command. It does not install new packages or remove existing ones. It only upgrades the currently installed packages to the latest versions. So just press enter and press Y and enter to continue. If you want to actually upgrade the distribution itself, it's probably best to first identify the version we are currently running. So to do this, simply run cat/etc/os-release. Then press return. This then provides us with the information of the Ubuntu version currently installed. And we have the ID number here, 23.04, and its name, Lunar Lobster. To check if there is an upgrade available, we can run the following command: sudo space do-release-upgrade. Press enter. It then checks for a new Ubuntu version. I'm going to hit Y to continue, and then it will go through the process installing what it needs to do to upgrade the distro. The system upgrade is complete, and to ensure the changes take effect, a restart is required. So I'm just going to hit Y for yes to continue and press enter. Okay, to check which version of Ubuntu I'm currently running, just head on over to the terminal again, and I'm going to run one of the commands that we initially run, which was cat space etc os-release. Okay, and as we can see, we are now running the version 23.10, and we are running Mantic.